Welcome students, this is your science period, and yesterday we had discussed about the food, uh, the nutrition which is found in our food, and the mainly we had discussed about carbohydrates, and carbohydrates are found in two forms, sugar and starch. And we will see, and we had done the test also. Okay, so in today we will continue our second chapter. So let's start our lesson. So we will do test for fats. Okay, how will we know that food contains fat or not? Okay, this is a very easy test you can do at your home very easily. First, take a small quantity of food item, wrap it in a piece of paper and crush it. Take care the paper does not tear. Now straighten the paper and observe it carefully. Does it have an oily patches? Hold the paper against light. Are you able to see the light faintly through this patch? An oily patch on paper shows that the food items contain fat. Okay, the food items may sometimes contain a little water. Therefore, after you have rubbed an item on paper, let the paper dry for a while. If there were any water that may have come from food, it would dry up after some time. If no oily patches show up after this, the food items does not contain any fat. Okay. So you can, for testing for fat, you just need two things, food and paper. Okay, take a food item, crush on the paper and remove the food. You will see the oily patches all over the paper. Okay, and let it for sometimes. If it is dry up, that means it does not have a fat. If it is still the oily patches, that means it has fat. Okay, what do these tests show? Are fat, protein and starch present in all the food items that you tested? Does the food items contain more than one nutrition? Do you find any food items that does not contain any of the nutritions? Okay. We tested food items for three nutritions: carbohydrates, protein and fat. Okay, we have discussed about these carbohydrates and protein in yesterday classes, and today we had discussed about fat. There are also other nutrients like vitamins and minerals that are present in different food items. Why do we need all these nutrients? Okay, there are also other nutrients, vitamins and minerals, and the question is, why do we need all these nutrients? Why? We will find the answer of this why. Before this, I want to show you the test for fat. Okay, okay, so this is a paper and this is a gujia, a food. Okay, I will show you it. Does gujia contain fat or not? Okay, I will break into some pieces and I will crush by my hand. You can choose other food items, any food items. Okay, roti, chawal, anything. You can choose any food item. Okay, now I'm going to remove. Now you are seeing oily patches all over the paper. Okay, if you are choosing other food item, leave the paper for some time. If it will dry, that means it does not contain fat, it has a water. But this will not dry up. Okay, and it is up you can guess that it is a oil by seeing this. So that means these food items contain fat. Okay, so back to our topic. Okay, what do various nutrients do for our body? The question is, why do we need different nutritions? Like, why do we need fat, why do we need protein, carbohydrates, starch, sugar, vitamin, minerals, dietary fiber? Why do we need all these things? Okay, think about the answer of this why. Okay, think about the question, why do we need all these nutritions? Okay, and tell me the answer of this why. Okay, and um, we will find the answer of this why, this question, in next class. Okay, till then, thank you.